everyone, I'm Miss Lily, and today we're going to learn how to tell the time on a clock. Let's take a closer look at our friend, the clock.
This is our clock. It has two hands. The short hand is called the hour hand, and the long hand is called the minute hand. These hands work together to tell us what time it is. Let's start with something simple. When the minute hand is pointing straight up at the number 12, and the hour hand is pointing at a number, we say it's a clock. For example, if the hour hand is pointing at the 3, it's 3 o'clock. As the clock moves, the hour hand points to the next number. Now it's 4 o'clock. See how the hour hand has moved to the 4, while the minute hand stays at the 12. Now, let's learn about something called half past. When the minute hand points to the number 6, it means the time is half past the hour. For example, if the hour hand is between the 4 and the 5, and the minute hand is on the 6, it's half past 4. As time goes on, the minute hand keeps moving around the clock until it reaches the 12 again, and the hour hand moves to the next number. Now it's 5 o'clock. Let's review what we've learned. When the minute hand is on the 12 and the hour hand is on a number, it's a clock. Like 2 o'clock, 9 o'clock, or any other hour. When the minute hand is on the 6 and the hour hand is between two numbers, it's half past the hour. Like half past 6. That's all for today's lesson. Now you know how to tell the time when it's a clock and half past. Keep practicing, and soon you'll be telling the time like a pro.
Don't forget to like this video if you enjoyed it, subscribe to our channel for more awesome adventures, and hit the bell icon so you never miss a thing. See you next time for more fun and learning. Bye bye.